river of bottled water flowing in the wilderness. A wind of endless sand, you're walking on dry ground. Thirsty soul, exhausted steps. A night where even tears have dried up. Looking at the sky when you hold on to your little faith. I can hear the Lord's voice. I'll be with you. He's playing rock by the grace of one's hand, through a closed mind. The river of life is flowing. Even in the wilderness, the river of bottled water flows. My dry soul comes back to life. In the middle of the desert like life path, the Lord is the way. Come out to the thirsty. I will fill you with the river of grace. Even in the land of tears, flowers bloom with the Lord. By human strength, I can't make a drop of water. A time when one's tired heart has collapsed. I only look at the state, the rock Jesus. Please wash up my thirst deep inside me. It makes the water flow.